Hey, boer, show me your driver's license.
Jy's ongeskik, man. Praat mooi en dan kry jy my license.
Don't cheek me.
Frankly, I was heart full of getting hit all over the show on this day. So I made very sure this Burki was not going to assault me. Yes.
Maar daar die taxi driver het my laat skrik.
Het jy laat skrik? Ek dog hy skiet my. Hier's my license.
Where are you from?
Parijs.
This license is a fake. Where did you get it?
In die Vrystaat.
In Paris?
Ja.
Well, I'm telling you now, this license is not valid, and I am cutting it up.
You see, my people, you don't mess with a Rambo cop.
I cannot let you drive with this license, okay? Because you, Boere, what you do is you cheat the licenses from other people, and you make a fake license. That is why I've cut it up. Clamp the wheel. They bullshitted you, say, I'm sorry. What now? I cut up your license, what now?
No, I saw you cut up my license.
Number one, you are under arrest. And I'm smiling if I say that because I am sorry for you, you see. Number two, you've got no license. And number three, you must do what they tell you to do there because we don't take fingerprints like in the old days anymore. We've got another way. Because people, are you good for that?
I'm good for that.
Okay, let us walk you to that tent over there.
Now this poor man, he looked so gullible and sincere that I decided I'm going to push my luck to the very limit. Shame.
Mrs. van Skalbeek.
Hallo. Ek het jou ID-nommer nodig asseblief.
52
Aha.
05
Aha.
03
Ja.
5165
Aha.
083.
Meneer Snyman.
Ja.
Omdat daar so baie korrupsie in Suid-Afrika is kriminele besig om die vingerafdrukke te vervals. So die enigste manier wat ons nou kan uitken wat is reg en wat is verkeerd, is om 'n foto te neem van jou private dele. Want nie een van hulle lyk dieselfde nie. In die hele wêreld. Gaan vir my agtertoe en die flash ook aan. En moet asseblief jou broek heeltemal uittrek, hoor, anders kan ons nie sien nie.
Hoe moet ek nou...
Trek net jou broek af, meneer, en vat asseblief 'n foto van jou private dele. Dankie.
Waar moet ek hom druk? O, hier is hom.
Ja. Baie dankie, hoor.
Okay, done. Thank you, Mr. Sneeuwen. You are a very good South African citizen. You know what I like about you. You are a law-abiding citizen.
Ja.
Yes, he comes in here. We learn the new way of fingerprints. He does it, you know. I cut up his license. He understands. Maybe someone in South Africa has corrupted his mind, you know, has given him a fake license. But then on the other hand, I've got another one that I quickly made for you. Because you see, this is just a joke. And my name is Leon Schuster.
Leon.
Jy's 'n moerse sport, jy hoor. Jy's 'n moerse.
Ek weet jy gaan weer van uitvang.